Morris class, it's Miss Baig here and welcome to your first science lesson for this term. I hope you've had a fantastic half term and you are ready to begin some new learning. Okay, so for this new term we are going to be looking at plants. We are scientists, and for the first part of our theme of Van Gogh, we are going to investigate plants linking to the sunflowers painting. We are going to be planting, growing, measuring, and closely investigating plants. Okay, before we start, there is a cold task that you need to complete, and it shouldn't take long. We are going to go through each question at a time, okay? So please go and grab something to write on and write with, and when you come back, we are going to go through the questions together. And for this lesson, please do not, if you're an adult in the room, if your child is stuck, please do not help them because this is a cold task. We want to know how much the children know already. Okay, so if you tell them all the answers, then there's no point of us teaching the lessons because you've given them all of the knowledge, if that makes sense. So we very, very kindly ask adults to refrain from giving the children the answers. Okay, so pause me, grab some things to write on and write with, unpause, and let's begin. Okay, question number 1. Can you name 3 things plants need to grow well? Can you name 3 things plants need to grow? Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, question number 2. What do you think this is? You don't need to draw it, just tell me what you think it is. Question number 3, what is absorbed through the roots? So absorbed means what is sucked up. What is absorbed through the roots? Question number 4, draw one way a plant disperses seeds. So disperses like sprinkling around itself. Draw one way a plant disperses seeds. Okie dokie. Next, we have draw and label a plant. So it could be any plant of your choice. You just need to label all of the different parts of a plant. So the green bit, the round bit in the middle. Okay, well done for completing your cold task, Morris class. And thank you very much for adults for allowing your child to complete the task independently. So everybody give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, we have already looked at plants in year 1. So this year we are going to need to step up our game. We need to become super scientists who explore with detective-like skills. Okay, to start off, you are going to jog our memories. So we're going to jog our memories. That means try and remember some of the year 1 vocabulary, but we are also going to learn new year 2 vocabulary. Okay, let's go through some of the vocabulary. So evergreen. Evergreen is a tree which never loses its leaves. Deciduous, a tree which sheds its leaves every year. So you might have a lot of those. If you look outside your house and there's a tree nearby, pretty sure it's a deciduous tree. Plants, a living thing which absorbs water, makes its own food and grows. Trees across the 4 seasons. I'm going to make myself smaller so you can see what is on the screen. Bear with me a second. Okay, at the beginning of the year, in January, when the year starts, we are still experiencing winter. So winter begins at the end of the year and it goes all the way through to the beginning of the year. So we have winter, and this is what the trees look like in winter, bare. Next, we have spring. The next season is spring. So this is usually starting around mid-March or the end of February, mid-March. You will start to see new leaves growing. Next, we have summer. Then we have autumn, when the leaves start changing colour and then they start dropping off. And then at the end of the year, we have autumn. The reason why you must be thinking, hang on a minute, there's only 4 seasons, but there's 5 here. So, like I said in the beginning, winter, it overlaps. So winter usually starts about October, no, well, not October, November, I would say, end of November. So November, December, January, February. It overlaps at the end of the year and at the beginning of the new calendar year. That's why it's there twice. Okay, but there are indeed only 4 seasons. Okay, so bit more vocabulary for you. Seeds. These are used to grow new plants. A flower. Part of a plant which is usually pretty, colourful and holds the seeds. So there they are, right in the middle there. You can see the yellow seeds. Roots. This part of the plant absorbs, that sucks up water and nutrients. Okay, Morris class, we have come to the end of this science lesson. Again, well done for completing your cold task and well done for going through the new vocabulary with me. If you found that vocabulary a bit tricky, then just rewind the video and watch the vocabulary again, just so you can have a better understanding. I would watch it twice anyway, especially if it's new to you. So please do watch it again. We have come to the end and I'll see you next time. Take care, Morris class. Stay safe, stay at home, keep smiling, and see you soon. Bye-bye.